Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, January 26, 2021. It is Try It Tuesday, so our quote for today is, "The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today." So we have a very important week going on this week. We are taking our diagnostic test, so we are doing our best today so that we will be ready and show what we know for tomorrow. So keep working hard on those diagnostic tests, kiddos, and I know you are going to do great. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have breakfast pizza. For lunch, we have Crispito. Tomorrow for breakfast, we have pancakes or waffles and sausage. And for lunch, we have chili and rice. Today's only birthday is Miss Lee, our fabulous kindergarten teacher. So be sure you give a big air high five to Miss Lee today for her birthday and enjoy celebrating her today. Today are AR Superstars. These are the people that met their second quarter goal. Our second quarter ended last Friday. We have a bunch. So kindergarten, Miss Lee's class, Bronson Davis, Ariel Dixon, Bailey Dortch, Olivia Gilmore, Tamaya Harris, Brandon Kaiser, Derek McNeil, Rebecca Mendez, Astrid Ordonez Maldonado, Olivia Peters, Travis Pedway, Morgan Pierce, Marion Pugh, Sabre Ray, Jamora Tate, Quervian Turner, Mariah Turner, Ava Lee Weaver, and Carter Williams. In Miss Waller's class, we have Mavis Adams, Cameron Anderson, Cohen Doe, Elvis Ramos, Cassian Frank, Abel Garrett, Jeremiah Harrison, Kaylee McCoy, Corey Moffitt, Simone Perry, Phoenix Previto, Lily Reynolds, Neri Rodriguez, Coriante Shepard, and Reagan Zane. In second grade, we have Corian Kinney, Jaden Knowles, we have Mariah Carlisle, and Rowan Doe. In third grade, we have Kennedy Brown, Jordan Fulton, Kingston McAlmon, Johnny Ramos. In Hamlin's class, we have Isabella Edwards, Madison James. In Peralta's class, we have Chloe Fair, Libby Jones, London Knock, and Hayden O'Kane. In Miss Washington's class, we have Naomi Howell and Gabriel Spillers. In fourth grade, we have Madison Dubose, Madeline Shuttlesworth, and Victoria Smith. In Miss Wolf's class, we have Ben Lee and Amaria Thompson. Fifth grade, our AR folks are Braden Boswell, Harold Jefferson, Camila Loza, Sandra Teacom, and in Guidry's class, we have Liam Vinson. So way to go for these AR Superstars for meeting your goal for second quarter. We know that third quarter has just started, and so you have lots of time to be an AR Superstar for this quarter. Miss Smith will be coming around with the AR prize card after announcements and to let the students pick a prize for reaching their second quarter AR goal. We will start doing this every Monday morning instead of all at once for the third and fourth quarter. AR is a district initiative. It is a non-negotiable, and we hope to see many, many more names next quarter. Today, we have the iReady second diagnostic continuing. It started on Monday, and we are keeping working on that. Monday and Tuesday, we are doing reading, and Wednesday and Thursday, we are doing math, and then on Friday, we will pick up with anything else we need to do. Thursday of this week, we will have PST. That's all for today's news. I hope you have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.